Assalamualaikum everyone student. Today we are going to learn a beautiful poem. The title of our poem is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see everything. This poem teaches us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can see everything, everywhere, all the time. So let's start with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Careful and repeat after me. Allah see me what it is dark and there is no light. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the tiny black ant crawling on the road. Allah see the missing keys when they cannot be found. I love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay my dear, I will ask me question. Who see everything? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see everything. MashaAllah. What does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see us? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see us all the time. Next question. What tiny thing does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see the tiny black ant. Can can everything be hidden from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? No, right. Very good, everyone. Today we will learn that Allah sees everything. We should also speak the truth and do not deeds because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is also watching us. Let's read the last line together. I love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. MashaAllah. See